Who said you can't sport sinfully old attire and accessories and make use of them till the very end? Doggos seem to have all the love regardless. It's only some people that have an itch if it ain't flashy or new enough. This sinfully old t-shirt is from dad. It had holes all over which I stitched with a contrasting color of thread. Wouldn't something like this cost a 3 to 4k at a popular brand? These track pants are 10 years old and I bought from Nike during my dance journey. Does a massive ripped hole give away how archaic it is? This 20-year-old bag which has survived from the flea market of Geneva where I discovered my love for dance, hoop, etc. till today, completely intact. It holds old buttons from mom's box and also the ones I had to buy during the button section of fashion design college. These shoes are from the kids section of Puma? How do you say it? About 5-ish years ago, which I bought after wanting something all black for years and waiting till I found the perfect ones then. As an artist, I used to dream to be a face of a brand at one point in my journey. I'd at times get carried away purchasing so many items from a brand and even use them in my performances, secretly hoping to be an ambassador with my hard work and whatnot, until my entire thought process flipped. That hooper whose life's highlight at one point was to feature in Harper's Bazaar sporting fresh new Adidas and Nike would no longer jump for a feature of this nature. I actually ran to hunt for the tracks which I never got. Someone who was delighted to have a free pair of Reebok sports bra and tracks after performing with a dance company for their brand changed heart and just gave it all away. I see now why some things weren't meant to align for me. I don't need any of the new things. I may have wanted it. How many of our wants end up becoming our needs, and where do we draw the line? I drew the line and keep my word thus far. I just make do with what I have and haven't purchased anything in years. In order to live up to the refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle to the best of my effort, I put an end to everything from my end and see how far I can go with this, even though professionally this takes away a lot of possibilities, yes. I gave much away and only hold on to a handful that I will use till the very end of their life. Even if I no longer resonate with the whole fashion or fitness influencer concept, I see that I have full freedom to do it my heart's way, even if it means no big bucks from the big companies, no fame from being on billboards, and no free things in exchange of a post. Again, a reminder as I share my heart each time, there is no single way to live sustainably, and it's each to their journey, thought process, realizations, and changes. Sharing my journey as it has been up until now, I'll try to live up to it till whenever I can.